I'm on a roll, so I might as well film. Why the heck not? Okay, my car is a mess. This is a Starbucks holiday cup. Let's go to the trash bin and throw it away. My car is a complete mess. And I don't care. I really don't. Why should I care? Okay, we got some nice trees. I love trees. We are connected to trees. Okay. I'm at Rock Park. Oh, we're gonna do some community service. It looks like a popcorn bin. I don't want to eat someone's popcorn. Okay, this beer can. This is gonna get thrown away. Okay. I like to pick up things. No one else will do it. I don't know why people litter. There's another one. This time it's a green bottle. 7 Up lemon lime flavored soda. I'm just gonna throw it away. The community service is the only good thing I do. I started doing it because I wasn't doing anything for the human race. That still has some liquid in it, but just needs to go. Okay. All right. With beer cans, I don't know why people leave them laying around. Especially when there's a trash bin right there. Because it makes it look like people are drinking in the park. And that brings unwanted attention from the police. Well, it's beautiful. Okay. Got some ducks there. I want to see the duck. The ducks. I can't speak. I have problems with the English language. Namely because it's really hard. Let's look at the ducks. I'm being careful not to slip on the rocks. Wow, yeah, these are actual ducks. My goodness. Being out in nature is good. So we have some ducks there. They're beautiful birds. I feel bad about eating duck in a Chinese restaurant. They're such beautiful birds. Why would you want to eat them? And the meat isn't that much better than chicken. Ducks are beautiful animals. Why would you kill and eat them? Oh, that's so nice. How they paddle. They're like paddle boats. That bird has a red head. I don't know what kind of bird that is. Huh. There's the GSR building. Oh, I'm running low on my battery. That's a shame. Okay. It's just how it is. That's why they call it Rock Park. There's lots of rocks. Rocks are good to hold the ground down. so the earth doesn't blow all over the place. I like a lot of the landscaping in Nevada. They do a good job. They have nothing else better to do than to make lawns look good. The parks are manicured. They do a good job. I guess it would be a good job to do landscaping. Some people are really into it. I'd rather make art. There's my lovely car again. Well, this video is going to be done. Thanks for watching. David Levins. That's my name. PayPal.me/David Levins. Send me money, okay?